Dozens of families are displaced after a massive apartment fire in Antioch. Multiple units from the Nashville Fire Department responded to the blaze, and the building is a total loss. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Emily Luxon. News Channel 5's Aaron Cantrell found out from survivors it was fellow neighbors who alerted everyone about the fire, not their smoke detectors.
This happened at 5 a.m. People are going to be in their most vulnerable state, which is asleep.
Massive flames and smoke filled the sky after a fire broke out at the apartment complex Allegro on Bell, taking about an hour to get it under control.
I just smelled smoke, and then I heard what I thought was rain, and it wasn't rain, it was fire.
Some residents say they barely made it out alive.
God bless him, because I don't know if I'd still, And he was like, there's a fire, you gotta come out.
Over a dozen survivors telling News Channel 5 no smoke alarms or fire alarms went off.
And we're hearing that beep in the background now.
That didn't go off until the fire trucks were putting the flames out, and that's from a different building.
Kasai Hicks remembers her neighbor waking her up, running to the front door with her cat, and the door completely engulfed.
He went back to the room. I'm trying to grab him. The ceiling's starting to fall in. Smoke is everywhere. We've lost vision.
Hicks tried to save her 5 pets.
Then I took one of my snakes. I just threw him towards the open door, hoping he could get out, but I don't know if he did.
The complex, I couldn't imagine someone could have reacted worse.
Skylar Chuckry is disappointed with the apartment complex for not answering the emergency line.
From 5 o'clock to 8:30, they could not get a hold of anybody. Every phone number we called rang at that front desk. And the only reason we got in there was because the Red Cross broke in there so we could have some place to stand out of the 40-degree weather.
Fire officials say all residents are accounted for.
We've got some burns and some cuts.
And Hicks thinks many pets perished in the blaze.
My animals cannot be replaced. They're family.
Residents have a lot of questions, but they think things could have been worse.
I'm dreading the process of going forward, but I'm thankful that I'm alive.
In Antioch, Aaron Cantrell, News Channel 5.
Aaron, thank you. And we reached out to the owners of the property with issues about the issues with the smoke detectors. They told News Channel 5 in part, we purchased Allegro on Bell in July of 2022. We received a copy of the annual fire inspection report conducted on April 7th, 2022. And at the time of the fire, there were no open violations, open service requests related to smoke detectors, or known issues. Once getting the all clear from the fire department, Burge and Held team members tested smoke detectors in vacant units and said all of the detectors worked properly. The American Red Cross is helping those displaced. The cause of the fire is still under investigation. To read more of the company's statement, just head over to newschannel5.com.